To work a half treble 2 together, which is a decrease stitch, you're going to work as if to do a single half treble. So yarn around the hook, go through the stitch you're working in, yarn round and pull through 1, so you've got 3 loops on your hook. Now instead of finishing your stitch, you're going to yarn around the hook again and work into the next stitch. So we've just worked into this one, so now we're going to work into this one. A decrease like this is usually done over 2 stitches. Yarn round and pull through, and you should have, looks like quite a lot, 5 loops on your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then yarn round and draw through all 5 stitches, and that works your 2 half trebles together. So I'll show you again. Yarn round into the first stitch, yarn round, pull up, loop, 1, 2, 3, yarn round again into the next stitch, yarn round, pull up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn round and draw through all 5. And there, that's your half treble 2 together.